Digging up blocked or broken drains is expensive, messy, inconvenient and risky. So why do it? Ruttley Relining can fix broken or blocked drains in the hardest to reach places without digging. Your garden, path and driveway stay intact. Relining is faster, more convenient, less risky and significantly cheaper. If you've already been quoted for digging up your pipes, you'll be happy to know you can solve your plumbing problem in less time, more cost-effectively, and without trenches or other major disruptions. When carried out by our qualified, licensed and insured plumbers and pipe reliners, relining is a permanent surgical solution. Here's how it works. First, we pressure clean your pipe with the Ruttley Hydrojet Water Blaster. Then, we thoroughly inspect your pipe with CCTV diagnostic equipment. Once we've assessed the extent of the damage, there are two options to fix it: sectional pipe repair or inversion pipe relining. Sectional pipe repair is best for smaller, targeted sections of pipework. We begin by cutting a polywoven sock liner that will be fitted to the damaged section. The liner is then thoroughly impregnated with a 2-part epoxy resin. We wrap the liner around an inflatable bladder, then position it inside the pipe. Once it's in place, we inflate the bladder so the liner and epoxy resin is pressed tight and bonds to the inner wall. When we deflate the bladder and remove from the pipework, you have a brand new leak-proof lining for your pipe. Inversion pipe relining is best for long lengths of pipework that require one continuous length of liner. We begin by making a mixture of epoxy and silicate resins. We then fill a liner with the resin mixture using a roller. The liner is placed in an inversion drum, which is pressurized. This turns the liner inside out and forces the epoxy-filled liner through a nozzle into the pipe. We then harden the epoxy filler liner using compressed air and hot water, creating a new leak and tree root proof surface inside your old pipe. After a final check with the camera, we're done. We leave behind no trace of the work, just a rock solid lining with a 50-year life expectancy and a 20-year guarantee. Your new lining will close existing leaks, fill cracks and make it impossible for roots to intrude into your pipes, all for less than the cost of installing new pipes.
Relining is definitely going to be cheaper than the excavation. If we were to excavate in the middle of the road, we've got traffic control, the risk of hitting a service in the ground, the reinstating costs, we've got the road opening fees, the list goes on and on. So what makes us different is we stand by the 3 words in our motto: reliable, responsive, reassuring. When the client picks up their phone, we can guarantee we're going to answer the call 24/7, 365 days a year. My vision for Ruttley Relining is I want to make it a household name. It's a benefit for the client. If we can save a client money by doing the work that we do, I'm going to be a happy man.
Ruttley Relining has 15 years experience providing plumbing services to the North Shore, Inner West, Eastern Suburbs, Northern Beaches, Northern Districts and across metropolitan Sydney. If you have blocked or leaking pipes at your home or workplace and want them fixed permanently, cost-effectively and fast, visit our website or call us on 02 9199 2631. Ruttley Relining, the experts in permanent drain repair.